This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming battery and Bluetooth pairing. This avoids interruptions mid-setup. Hold the AirPods Pro stem between thumb and finger so you feel the force sensor ridge. Once done, practice a single quick squeeze to play or pause. It sends a press signal distinct from a longer squeeze. Make sure to keep motion minimal. The sensor responds to inward pressure, not taps. Now you're ready to map additional controls and test noise modes with the same stem technique. Now you'll wire the actions to your listening habits. You use single, double, and triple squeezes for play/pause, next, and previous. Practice rhythmically so you don't miss trigger. For noise control, press and hold the stem to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency. Timing matters, so keep pressure steady until you hear the tone. Once comfortable, open your device's Bluetooth settings, choose the AirPods Pro, and customize press and hold behavior, or to finish, test every gesture. Play/pause, track skips, and noise mode toggles. Listen for the tones and watch on-screen indicators so you know they registered. If a control fails, place both AirPods in the case, close it, wait 30 seconds, then reopen and retry. If still unresponsive, reset by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Make sure firmware is current via your paired device before concluding. Updates often fix stubborn control bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.